Hit the ceiling, understanding English idioms. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, hit the ceiling. This idiom might sound a bit strange at first, but it's widely used in English-speaking countries to convey a specific emotion. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and some examples to help you understand it better. Hit the ceiling is an idiom that means to become extremely angry or furious. Imagine someone getting so angry that their anger could metaphorically reach or hit the ceiling. It's important to note that this phrase is used to describe a sudden and intense reaction, rather than a mild annoyance. The origin of hit the ceiling is a bit unclear, but it's believed to have emerged in the early 20th century. The imagery of one's anger reaching the ceiling suggests an extreme level of emotional response, which makes this idiom quite vivid and expressive. To help you understand how to use this idiom, let's look at some examples. 1. When she found out her brother had borrowed her car without asking, she hit the ceiling. 2. My dad hit the ceiling when he saw my grades. 3. I'm worried about telling my boss about the mistake. He might hit the ceiling. In each of these examples, the phrase is used to express a strong, explosive reaction to a situation. When using hit the ceiling, remember, it's used for sudden, intense anger, not mild irritation. It's a metaphor, so don't take it literally. It's informal, so it's best used in casual conversations or writing. That's all on the idiom, hit the ceiling. We hope this video has helped you understand and feel confident using this expressive phrase in your English conversations. Remember, learning idioms is a great way to sound more natural in a language. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.